Let's look at how we can use relative clauses to vary the language more. Relative clauses start with relative pronouns, like the ones listed here. And let's look at the two sentences marked in yellow. Many people love the English language. They can go to the UK to practice speaking it. What we can do is that we can rewrite the first one and create a relative clause like this. People who love the English language can go to the UK to practice speaking it. I took away the word many here because now the relative clause identifies who these people are. So it's important information and necessary information. And then we don't use commas around it. And I think that is the most natural thing here. If, on the other hand, we had used commas framing the relative clause, you would have meant that all people love the English language. And so using commas makes the relative clause additional information that we don't really need. In this case, the dependent clause, that the relative clause is placed inside the independent clause. And together they form a complex sentence. Let's see how we can use in clauses to vary the language more. In clauses start with the in form of a verb. Let's look at the two independent clauses marked in yellow. I am one of them. I hope to go there again soon. Both of these clauses start with I. The subject is the same, and to create more variation, we can rewrite the first one and make it an in clause like this. Being one of them, I hope to go there again soon. It is important that the subject is the same in both of these original clauses, otherwise it won't make a meaning. So what we've done now is to again combine an independent clause with a dependent clause and form a complex sentence. Actually, the last part here, or the second clause, was part of a compound clause because there were two independent clauses, and they together with the in clause, the dependent clause, they form a complex sentence. This is the improved text, and it has improved a lot from the original one, both when it comes to vocabulary and also sentence structure. In addition to that, all these changes that we have made have improved the coherence of the language. That means that we have helped the reader understand better what we want to convey. We show how ideas relate to each other, and the message becomes much clearer from what we have done. So hopefully you've learned more about strategies for language variation and coherence from these videos. Thank you.